Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Satsumaimo cheesecake. Satsumaimo sweet potato season has come. So I'm making a lot of sweet potato dessert these days, and this cheesecake is my favorite. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. 60 grams of biscuit or cracker or cookies and 30 grams of butter for the bottom. 200 grams or half pound cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 100 milliliter of heavy cream, about 250 grams of sweet potato and 70 grams of sugar. At first, I'm going to cut the sweet potato into small cubes, and I'm using it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's cut this end off. Into slices first. Into sticks. Then into cubes. And put it in a bowl that you can microwave. Take 1 tablespoon of sugar from here and add it here. And about 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. Cover it with plastic film and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 5 minutes at 800 watts. Let's take half of this in another bowl to keep them as cubes. And mash the rest. Now, let's make the bottom of the cheesecake. So biscuit in the food processor. Blend. Let's melt the butter using microwave. I did half a minute at 600 watts. Remove the blade. Add melted butter. And mix. And here, I have a silicone mold. It's about 15 centimeters, lined with parchment paper cut into the shape of the mold. Let's put the biscuit and butter mixture. and using something flat, press it to flatten. Like this. Now, let's make the cream cheese filling. So cream cheese and sugar in a large bowl. Cream cheese should be room temperature. Sugar in, and mix it until it's nice and smooth. Make sure there is no lumpy cream cheese. Nice and smooth. $100ml of heavy cream. And mix using a whisk, but try not to whip. I'm sorry, I forgot to include this in the ingredients list, but you need an egg. Yogurt, flour, mashed sweet potato, and also the cubes. Let's put the filling in the mold. Drop it a few times to push out the air inside. Now, I'm going to bake it in a hot bath. So let's put the cake in the pot here. And pour some hot water, about halfway up the cheesecake. Make sure it doesn't go into the cheesecake. Okay, let's bake this in the preheated oven. 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Baked for 50 minutes, and the top was still pale, so I did another 5 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. Let's cool it down to room temperature, wrap it with plastic film, and chill in the fridge overnight. It's day 2, and here is the cheesecake I baked yesterday. I cooled it down to room temperature, took out from the mold, wrapped it with plastic film, and chill in the fridge overnight. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. So prepare a knife, hot water, and kitchen paper. You're going to warm up your knife using this hot water and dry it with the kitchen paper for clean cut. So remove the plastic film. Warm up the knife and dry it with a kitchen paper. And cut. Every time you cut, warm up the knife and dry. And Satsumaimo cheesecake is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so dense, thick, rich, and creamy. I think I'll be making this so many times in the sweet potato season. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!